Alright guys, in this video we are going to be changing a coupling for a all-wheel drive system rear differential onto a 2016 Kia Sorento. Now the issue with this one could be, actually I don't even know what the issue is with this one. It was called by an tech, but basically you could either have a grinding noise or maybe a skipping action that's happening into the rear wheel, so that's why you would go ahead and replace this guy. So I'm just going to be going ahead and replacing it and going for a road test afterwards, but I thought I'd give you guys a small video on how to replace it. So I'm going to pause you guys, set everything up, and then I'll be right back.